In this video, I am going to show you how to enable Telnet client on your computer. First of all, go to Control Panel. In Windows 8, we go to Settings and then we click Control Panel. In Windows 7, you can go to Control Panel directly from the Start button. In Control Panel, I will click the Programs link, and in Programs link, I am going to click Turn Windows Features on or off. In the list of Windows features, if you scroll down, you can see Telnet client. If you press T, it will be the first item. So I check the checkbox next to Telnet client and I click OK. It is going to take a few seconds. Well, it was quick, fairly quick. Say close. We now have Telnet client installed on our computer. We can access it by clicking the command prompt and typing telnet, T-E-L-N-E-T, telnet. You see, Microsoft Telnet is up and running. To close Telnet, just click the close button.